What's up, guys? I'm checking out Jefferson Airplane. This one's titled White Rabbit, requested by Nazav Bor on Streamlabs. Big shout to you. Haven't heard this one before, but apparently this is a pretty classic song that's been used in like movies and TVs and whatnot. So I may or may not have heard this before, but nonetheless, I'm definitely curious to hear it. I think it's like a psychedelic. Yeah, it's like a psychedelic song. But yeah, I'm definitely curious to check it out and see what it sounds like. And yeah, that being said, let's go and check it out. White Rabbit. It's reminding me of like Western movies or something.
And one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Call Alice when she was just small.
Interesting.
When the man on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off her head. Remember what the dormouse said. Feed your head, feed your
Interesting. Definitely huge inspiration from Alice in Wonderland. I guess I should have got that from the title. I was just not thinking about it. But yeah, this was interesting. It felt more or less like something you would hear or no, it felt it reminded me a lot of like a Western, like I don't know the vibe. It just reminded me of like a Western movie or something. But the lyrics definitely had more of a psychedelic sense than the actual audio, in my opinion. Like the lyrics, taking heavy inspiration from Alice in Wonderland, which is probably one of the most psychedelic, stories of all time. But yeah, a lot of heavy inspiration from that, and yeah, it was cool. I didn't recognize it though. I'm not sure what like movies or film it's been in, but I probably have to look into that. But I didn't recognize it at all. But yeah, I was interested. I wouldn't. You know what? Never mind. I was gonna say I wouldn't label this really as like a psychedelic track, but then I realized looking at the album cover, this is definitely like probably the early stages of psychedelic music. So for like the '60s, this would be like psychedelic for that time period. But yeah, that was Jefferson Airplane, White Rabbit. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.